Hello, my good traders. Today is 1st September 2023, and we are here to give you an update on the challenge account, the $50 account that I told you I was going to grow with you, or I was going to grow it and show you results. This is the very first week, and today being 1st September, Friday, it means the week has ended. So I needed to give you an update on this account. So please, I want you to take your time and watch this video to the end, because a lot of things are going to be said in this video, and you need to take your time and watch it to the end. First of all, let me say happy new month to everyone. Today being 1st September, I pray that this month of September will bring us nothing but profits, will bring us nothing but good health, and then success in everything that we do. Now, I want to take you to the history part of this account. And if I go to the history part, which is below here, I have decided to backdate this account to the last 3 months. So you see last 3 months is ticked. I click on the last 3 months, and this is the information on this account for the last 3 months. Now, the trades that you see over here, they all have dates on them, and the very first trade you see here has a date, and the date and time you see on these trades are the dates and time when these trades were closed. So the first trade you see over here is the first trade I took on this account, and the date or the time on which I closed this trade is the various dates and time you see over here. So the various dates and time that you see here are the days and the time that I closed the trades. So the records that are recorded here are the time that I closed the trades. Now, because I have backdated this account to the last 3 months for the purpose of sincerity, I want you to know whether if there was anything on this account for the previous months before even I started talking to you about it. Do you get it? I wanted you to be sure, so that if there was anything hidden, maybe I took some trades on this account for the past 3 months or 2 months ago or a month ago, which you are not aware. Once I put the history back to 3 months, we will be able to know. Or even if I put it to the last, I can even do a custom period, and I can choose even the last, this is for the last 3 months. I can choose to go backwards to even maybe last 1 year. Let me go to the last 1 year on this account. So this is 2023. Let me go to 2022. Where is 2022? 2024. 2024. Okay, 2022 is here. So I'm clicking on 2022, and I'm mapping it from, not May, let me take it from January 2022, which is here. So I'll map it from here. I hold it, I map it from here, click and hold, and then I'll move to 2023. And 2023, let me go straight up to December. I'm trying to show you something. Okay, let me reach here, up to here. Up to here. So it has given me, you see that it has highlighted. So it's going to give me the history on this account for the past 1 year. So let me click OK. So here the history on this account is for the last 1 year. And you can still see that the very first trade that was taken on this account is still the same date, which was 29th of August 2023. That was the first trade closed on this account, because now the history is last 1 year, and you can still see that it was on this date here, this very date over here. That was the date on which I closed the first trade on this account. So what date is that? That's 29th of August 2023. And today is 1st September. So being Friday, 1st September, Thursday was 31st August, right? 31st August was Thursday. Wednesday was 30th of August. Tuesday was 29th. And if you remember, I took the first trade on this account on Monday, which was on 28th of August, of which I did a video and posted on this channel. So if you go on this channel, the very first trades that I took on this account and did a video on, I'm sure you can all see it. So that is to tell you that indeed, whatever I'm going to tell you is from this week. So it means this account, let me go to the last 3 months. It means this account was created and started using it since Monday. So it means I started using this account since Monday, and that is the history. Now, with that being said, since Monday up to today, Friday, what has been the profit on this account? The profit I made is $61.15. 61.15. That is the profit I made on the account. What was the deposit? The deposit was $50 deposit. So it means in a week, I turned my $50 and then made a profit of 61.15. So let's even say $61. So if you are to go by percentage in terms of profit, what percentage will this be? This is more than 100% profit, because I started with $50 and then I ended with $61 profit. So if you add the 61 and then the $50, you'll get a total balance here, which happens to be $107.66. All right. So, sorry, I had a call coming through, so I needed to cut. So, this is what I came up with, or this is what I made. An account of $50, a profit of 61.15 has been made within 1 week, which is more than 100% profit. Now, look at the trades I took and look at the profits. Apart from the trade I took on Monday, which was kind of misbehaving, and I had to close with this loss. These two trades, I closed with this loss, which is almost about $2 loss. Apart from those two trades, all the other trades you see here are all wins. If you look, they are all wins throughout. 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 So the last trade was taken today, which was today. Today's date is what? 1st of September 2023. So you can see the date there. So that is the trade I took today. Today I took about how many trades? I took this trade today on the 1st of September. I took this one also today. I took this one today, and I took this one also today. So these are the trades I took today. So if I want to go to the history for only today, I click on today. And today alone, I made a profit of what? $10. On today, 1st of September. This is the profit I made today. And this is the swap that I was charged. It means there were some trades that were running since yesterday. So that is why there is a swap fee. Now, let me go back to the 3-month history. And then you can see things well for yourself. Now, because I had some trades running more than a day, I had a total swap charge of what? $3.49. So this amount has been deducted from my account because I had some trades that had to run for more than a day. And you all know when the market opens and when it closes. In case you don't know, the market closes every day from Monday, or let's say Sunday. Let's begin with Sunday. On Sunday night, the market opens at Ghana here. If I'll use Ghana here, in Ghana here, it opens at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Ghana time. Those of you in Nigeria, that will be 10 p.m. Nigeria time. And that is exactly the time the Australian market opens on Sunday. So at 9 p.m. in Ghana here, It's already 8 a.m. in Australia. So the first market opens on Sunday night. Now, when we run into December, when we get into December, there will be a daylight saving time shift. And once we get into that period, the daylight saving time will move the time from 9 p.m., which is 10 p.m. in Nigeria, to 10 p.m. in Ghana here, which will be 11 p.m. in Nigeria. But at the moment, we are not in the daylight saving time. So it is 9 p.m. in Ghana here, which is around 10 p.m. in Nigeria. And those of you in the US, that is 5, that will be, is it 5? Yes, that will be 5 p.m. Eastern time in US. 5 p.m. Eastern time in the US. All right. So those of you in the United States, that is 5 p.m. Eastern time. Or those of you using the Eastern time, that will be 5 p.m. Is that okay? So on Sunday, 5 p.m. in the US, which is 9 p.m. here in Ghana, and also 10 p.m. in Nigeria, the Forex market will be opened for us. And then it runs through Sunday night up to Friday evening. And Friday evening, the market closes at the same time, which is 9 p.m. here in Ghana, which will be 5 p.m. Eastern time. So it means once the market opens on Sunday, around that time, the Monday market will close at Monday 9 p.m. in Ghana, which is 10 p.m. in Nigeria on Monday evening. And immediately that market closes, a new one opens. Do you get it? So once the US market, which is the last market, is closing at 5 p.m. Eastern time, the new Australian market is also opening, which at the same time. So once the US market is closing, once it closes at 5 p.m. on the dot, the Australian market also opens 9 p.m. on the dot, which is 5 p.m. Eastern time, and also 5 p.m. Also 9 p.m. here in Ghana. So when one market is closing, another one is opening. Do you get it? So whenever the market closes for a new one to open, and you have trades that will cross the 9 p.m. into the new day, you will be charged what we call swap. Swap simply means allowing your trade to run. Now, the swap can either be positive or negative, depending on the currency you are trading. There are some currencies or currency pairs that appreciates in the course of the day. So if you are inside trades, that currency pair will give you a positive swap. And there are some currencies that will depreciate in the course of what? The day. Such currencies will give you negative swap. So your swap could either be positive or negative. So it is not always that your swap will end up being negative. But it's here, what you are seeing here, it means that all the trades I took were depreciating in value. So I was charged negative swap. And that is how come a total amount of $3.49 was charged on my account for having trades running from one day into the next day. Do you get it? So that is the total swap that was charged. So this money is deducted from my profit. Yes. Whatever profit I make, it will be deducted. If I don't make profit, whatever loss I make, it will be added. The swap will be added to the loss that I make. And then it will be deducted from my account, which is my account balance. Do you get it? So you see swap over there. Now, if you look through the trades I took, the one I took with a heavy profit is about $8, which is GBP USD. I closed that trade with a profit of $8. Apart from that trade, there was also another trade I think had the highest in terms of profit, and it's also here. You can see it here, which is also this trade over here. That is GBP JPY. I closed that one too with a profit of $8.68. Aside that being the highest profit made on a single trade, all the other trades, if you look, the next highest profit is about $7, which is somewhere here. This one. Euro NZD, that's $7.25. The rest, it's either $4, it's either $1, $2, and the rest. So that is how the profit came. Now, if you look at the lot sizes, look at the lot sizes carefully, you will see that the highest lot size I used on this account was 0.05, which was this one here. And then also, I think there's another one down here, which I used, yes, which is here. This one also, if you look, this one also here, I used 0.05. Apart from that, all the other trades, the lot size is 0. Okay, this one to 0.05 here, and then this one to 0.05. If you look, apart from that, the rest is 0.03, 0.02. So it means that I have never gone above 0.05 in terms of the trades that I took, because I knew that the account was just $50. And using 0.05, what it means is that before a trade can wipe out the whole $50, before my account will blow, unless the trade goes against me 100 pips. 100 pips. Once the trade goes against me 100 pips, the whole $50 here will be wiped off. So I have that in the back of my mind, and that is how come I was only using a maximum or a higher lot size of 0.05. The rest you can see here, I even use 0.01, 0.02, 0.02, and look at it. The profits are small profits. Look at the higher profit that I made. How many pips was that? Look at it. This one that I made $8 point something. How many pips was that? If you look here, I started the trade here. This was my entry, and this was my take profit. So what is the difference? I entered the trade at 1.2575, so 75, and then I closed the trade at 1.2616, and that is how many pips? 75. We have about 25 plus 16, that is about 30 what? 25 plus 16 will be 35, 41. So 41 pips. 41 pips with this lot size. Look at the lot size. 0.02. 41 pips gave me $8.20. 41 pips. I think it should be the highest pips I have ever gotten. Let me check the others. If you look at the others, it is the highest target in terms of pips. The rest are not even up to that. If you look at these ones, look at this one, the $4 one. I entered the trade. If you look, I entered the trade at what? This one I entered at 1.2606 and then ended at 30. So 30 out of 6 will give you 24. So that's 24 pips. With 0.02, 24 pips gave me this. I'm able to do this calculation off head because I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been trading Forex since 2017. So some things I may easily say them off head. Don't get carried away. It's not that I'm being a magician. Anyway, look at it here also. If you look at this trade with a lot size of 0.03, I entered at 185.583, and then I closed the trade at 185.16. This was a sell. So 58 has reduced to 16. How many pips will that be? 58 to 16. It is not up to 40 pips if you do your maths well. Okay, it's not up to 40 pips, or it's about 41 pips or so. Yes, and that also gave me the highest, which is 8.68. So you see that all my trades, the higher profit I have ever gotten in terms of pips is around 40 pips, thereabout, 41, 42. So this tells you that when it comes to profit, sometimes you don't have to be targeting so much. A lot of you end up targeting so much in the market that you are looking for 100 pips. You are looking for 150 pips. You are looking for 70 pips. You are looking for 80 pips. And you end up losing the trades. Sometimes the trades will run into profit 20 pips, 30 pips, and you feel like it's too small. You want more profit. And then you end up even losing the small profit that you got. And then the trade even goes into negative against you. But look at these small profits. They add up and they give you something huge. Imagine this small profits added up and gave me $61, which is more than 100% profit within just 1 week. So if I decided I want to withdraw, I can withdraw $61 from this account and still leave the $50. Already I have withdrawn my money back even with interest. Because if I withdraw 61, assuming 50 is my capital, I have additional $11 as profit. And then I leave only 50 back in there. I don't know if you understand the concept. But this account, I told you I'm going to grow it. So I am not going to make any withdrawal on it. Alright? I am not going to make any withdrawal on it. So I just want you to look at how the small profits added up to give us something very huge. So now look at my total balance now. I don't have any trade on. I have closed all my trades. If you look, I have closed all my trades. I have closed them. So whatever you are seeing here, look at it. This is my account now. 107.66 or 107.66. And that is going to be my balance for next week. Okay, I have closed all the trades. I have closed them. So that is going to be my balance for next week. The market is still running. As I told you, the market is still running, but I am done. I have closed for the week. I'm not going to pick any trade. I don't care whether the market is still going in a certain direction that I'm anticipating. It's not my problem. Let it go. I'm done. I'm not going to get in again. I'm done. I don't care whatever happens. If the market like it can move 1,000 pips, I don't care. From now, it can choose to move even 2 million pips. It's none of my business. I'm done for the week. So you need to be disciplined. You need to know what you want. You need to know what you are looking for. So this is it. I don't know what questions you have for me with regards to this results that I'm showing to you. Please write your questions at the comment section. Write your questions at the comment section. And let me also apologize that I wasn't able to keep on or to continuously update you on the account on daily basis on these other trades that I took. Now, if you look at the first trade that I took, which I did a video on, which was AUD JPY, the trade really came back in our favor after hitting the stop loss. It came back in our favor and even gave us the profit we were looking for. If you look at it, this is the trade. Okay, this is the trade. You see, it came back, but it's unfortunate that I wasn't able to update because I realized that the trade was misbehaving, so I decided to get out. But that opportunity, most of you here on the YouTube channel didn't get it. So maybe you were still in the trade until the trade hit stop loss because you didn't get my guidance. Anyway, there's no problem. We can talk. Yes, if you want us to talk, let's talk. But let me say this. If you want to talk to me, or if you want to get in touch with me, the best way to get in touch with me without any challenges is through my number, which is my phone number. And that number is also used on WhatsApp. Please do not in any way try to get in touch with me in terms of making payments to me when you have not called me on WhatsApp. Please, not Telegram call. I mean on WhatsApp. You can even choose to do a video call to see my face and be sure you are dealing with me. Especially those of you who are ready to join my VIP group. Please, if you look at my VIP group, all the signals that I gave, or the trades that I took here, They were signals that I gave in my VIP group. Let me take you to my VIP group quickly. That's on Telegram, I think, here. This is my VIP. Where is it? This is my VIP group. Oh, no, not this one. This is my VIP group. Here's it. Yes. This is my VIP group. Look at it. Leading Forex VIP. And you can see I gave this trade Euro NZD buy. It hits take profit 50 pips. I gave this trade Euro card. It also hits profit 50 pips. Euro USD buy. I asked them to close in profit. If you look at the rest, all in this week, I gave GBP USD buy. It hit 100 pips. First TP GBP chef hit 50 pips. So you can see it. All in this week. All was in this week. And this was the first trade that I did a video on. It was also here. So after the first trade for this week, there has been so many other trades that I gave in the VIP group. And they gave my traders in this VIP group a lot of profits, which I am sure you did not benefit. So those of you who want to be part of my VIP group here, please, you have to send me a WhatsApp message. Or better still, you need to call me. I beg of you, please call me to confirm it is me. Not on Telegram. Please, you call me on WhatsApp to confirm it is me before you even negotiate for any payment of money and whatsoever. So please, let me give you my WhatsApp number. If you want to pay for my VIP or anything you want to do payment for, the VIP group is just $100 for 1 good year, 1 full 12 months. Full 12 months. You are paying only $100. So the number is +233 246 136609. This is my WhatsApp number. If you want to join my VIP group, don't make any payment when you have not called me on WhatsApp. And if you are calling me on WhatsApp, make sure it is this number. If it is any other number, if the number is even put on private, it is not me. Make sure the number is this number. You must confirm it is this number. Or you call me, you hear my voice, or you can choose to even do a video call to see me and be sure. I am saying this because of people who are impersonating me, people who are trying to use my details and scam other people. That is why I am giving you these instructions. If you make any payment to anybody, you get in touch with anybody through any other means, and the person end up duping you or scamming you, please do not blame me. I am giving you my number. Thank you very much. In the course of next week, we will begin or continue with this account and see how things will go. But today, it is good news. That doesn't mean that maybe next week will equally be good news. It's possible next week will be bad news. Maybe I may lose trades next week. Who knows? It is very possible. So let's see how next week will also be. Until then, enjoy the rest of the weekends and take very good care of yourself. We are in a new month, September. We pray for the best as we are in this month together. God bless you for watching.